Hello traders. I'm suggesting some 5 to 6 stocks for tomorrow and next week. The first stock I'm recommending is DMart, that is Avenue Supermarkets. This is trading in the same range for the past 15 days. We can initiate a buy above 3403 when this trend line when a 15 minutes closes, a 15 minutes candle closes above this line, that means above 3403, at the first target of 3425 and the second target will be 3500 with a small with a stop loss of 3390. And recently DMart has announced results. The results are very good. This stock will compulsory go up within a week. And the second stock I am recommending is IRCTC. If we check this on this Thursday candle, it is on the selling side. But if you check the Friday candle, most of them are buyers. And the positive news is that most of the trains will be starting. This can be a positive news for this stock. We can initiate a buy about 2218 with the first target of 22446, and the second target will be 2300 with a stop loss of 2200. And the next stock I am recommending is TVS Motor. If you check in daily time frame, uh, this stock is trading at this support line. See, 1 2 3 4, and it is at this resistance line, like at 654 it is having good resistance, and at 597 it is having good support. um, we can initiate a buy above 602 at this candle high with the target of 626, and this will be a small stop loss with some 5 to 6 points stop loss we can keep. The next stock I'm recommending is Torrent Pharma. If you check this Friday candle, this is very good buying side. And if you check this trend line, it is taking support at this trend line. Some almost some 15 days, all 15 days it is taking support at the same trend line. We can initiate a buy above 3014. The target will be open as it is all time high. The first target will be like 3 to 3034, and the next target will be open with a stop loss of 3000, like some 14 to 15 point stop loss we can keep. And the next stock I'm recommending is Page Industries. If you check in daily time frame, see this, it has hit the resistance one time and second time, and it will compulsory go to, it will hit the resistance the third time. If it breaks it, it will give us a good profit. That means it will go up very high. See, if it breaks this resistance, it will go up to 35,000. uh, if you check in daily time frame, we can initiate a buy above 31,439 with a first target of 31,990. That will be almost 32,000. If any if any daily 1 day time frame candle breaks this resistance with a good buying side, it can easily hit 35,000. And for this the stop loss will be 31,400. This is 1 2 days it will hit this target. If any other candle closes above this resistance, we can go long on this stock. Yeah, these are the 5 stocks I am recommending for tomorrow and for the next week. To whole week we can trade. Yeah, if you like the content, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.